Well, we've got this Edelbrock air cleaner that we're going to clean on a budget. So let's get into it. I'm going to take it apart here. That's the top. This is the filter. Put that aside. And this is the bottom. And you look on the bottom, it's not so happy either. So I've got minimal tools here. I've got some paintbrushes that I picked up at the dollar store. This one I cut down so that it's a little more scrubbish. But for now, we are going to start by taking off as much of this dust and dirt as we possibly can. Just because we don't want a bunch of scratches, but we don't want to completely clean it though either. Now, it's my recommendation that you grab yourself a towel if you're doing this in your home, or a piece of cardboard. I did not, so yeah, I did not. Now, as you can see, there's so much dust in there, and you don't want to put this on your brand new engine. Restoration of this beauty. I'm not sure how old it is. I'm not even sure where we found it. But you're not going to want it to look like this when you put it on your brand new engine. So we will come back once we get a little more done. So this is what we've gotten off of it so far, guys. This is terrible. And this is what it's starting to look like. Takes a minute, but at least now you can see some color. It's been sitting for a while, so I'm not sure how well it's going to come out, but we'll keep pressing on. So as you can tell that we have put a little bit of effort into it. I've got a bucket of warm water with a little dish soap in it and a toothbrush, and we're just going to give it a little bit of a scrub. Bring around these letters. See what we can do about getting this so that it looks a little bit better than what it did. Rinse it off. It's a soft bristle brush, so it's not going to do a whole lot of scratching. And the whole purpose of doing this, where's my big one? I'm going to take this, give it a rinse. There we go. Now we will rinse this off in the tub because, well, it won't fit in my bucket. But, you know, see how good we can get the rest of this clean. Now, it's probably not going to be 100% shiny, but it'll definitely look way better than what we started with, in my opinion. I cannot believe how much dirt actually accumulates on air filters. It's unbelievable. Okay, so I'm going to come back, and once we get a little more done on this, see what we can do. I've got a drying towel. See if I can find a scrubby of some sort. So we get this here. Oh, I don't think you can see that. See, we got a little bit of rust and pitting here. Let's see if we can smooth that out right there. So we'll be back. Got one of these right here. Why I grabbed the towel is because we are going to dip that in the hot water. I want to see This way. There we go. Now if you can see right in here, let's see what we can do about making it just a little bit nicer. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it can be cleaner than what it is. Look at that. And have a drying towel. See, this will come out a whole lot nicer if we had some kind of wax. But all things considered, coming up pretty nice. Little elbow grease, a bucket of water, towel. See what we can do. I mean, it's been sitting for a while. Could have been sitting for a while in the garage, anywhere. But see the difference? I don't know if you can see that. Let's get you real close. See the difference with a little bit of scrubbing? Right there. Built up grease and grime and dirt and years of sitting. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Because most of us are on a budget. So if we can use household items, it doesn't have to be a huge something. But just something nonetheless. So I'll bring you back when I've rinsed it off and made it a little bit better. We've got soap suds all over the place, and we'll see how we did. Okay, so what do you think, guys? Think it's engine ready? It's way nicer than it was before. Let's take a quick close-up here. Yes, I know there's some rusting and some pitting, but we can deal with that at a later date. But right now, we don't have any gross grease and grime. It looks really wonderful. Thanks for watching.